Hello students, today's topic is conversion of non-terminating recurring decimals into rational numbers. Okay, for example 0.125 bar. Okay, here 25 bar. Okay, we have to write this 0.125 bar into p by q form. That is nothing but a rational number. Okay, 25. Here 25 is recurring decimal. So this can be written as 0.125252525 and so on. Okay. Now what is periodicity and period here? What is the period? Period is 25 and periodicity is 2. That means the number of recurring digits is nothing but periodicity. Okay, which digits are repeating or which digits are recurring is nothing but period. Okay, so depending on the nature of the periodicity, we have to multiply the decimal number. Okay, now let us suppose I am taking this one as, let x is equal to 0.1252525 and so on. Okay, here periodicity is 2, therefore we have to multiply this equation with 100. Okay, so 100x is equal to whenever we are multiplying a decimal into 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, the point moves to the right side of this decimal. Okay, so how many decimals it will move depending on the nature of the periodicity. Okay, here periodicity is 2, so we have to multiply with 100, then this point moves to the right side of 2 decimals, then it becomes 12.5252525 and so on. Okay, next one you write this x here, then x is equal to 0.1252525 and so on. Then this is nothing but 0. Here 0.0004.21. Okay, so this is minus it, 99x is equal to 12.4. Then x is equal to 12.4 by 99. Okay, this can be written as 124 by 99 into 10. Why this 10? To remove this decimal. Now 5 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 2s are. So 62 by 99 into 5. So this is equal to 62 by 5 9s are 45. 4 remainder, 5 9s are 45 plus 4 49. Okay, 62 by 495 is P by Q form. Okay. Next example, 1.62 bar. Okay. What is period here? 2 and periodicity is 1. Okay. Now let us suppose this can be written as, let x is equal to 1.6222 and so on. So this is the recurring digit. Okay. Now here periodicity is 1, therefore we have to multiply this total equation with 10. Okay, so 10 into x, 10x is equal to, whenever we are multiplying this one with 10, this point moves on the right side for one decimal, then it becomes 16.2222 and so on. Okay, next you write x here, x is equal to 1.6222 and so on. Okay, minus it. then 0, 0, 0, 12 minus 6, 6, 5 minus 1, 4, here 0.1 is equal to 9x. Okay. Now 9x is equal to 14.6. X is equal to 14.6 by 9. So this can be written as 146 by 9 into 10. You cancel this one with 2. 2 5s are, 2 7s are, 2 3s are. Okay. Now 73 by 5 9s are 45. So this is the P by Q form for this 1.62 bar. Okay. Okay, next question 3.127 bar. Okay. Now first this can be written as, let x is equal to 3.127 bar. Okay. What is the repeating decimal here? 7. So this can be written as x is equal to 3.1277777 and so on. Okay. Now here periodicity is 1. So therefore we have to multiply this one with 10. Then 10x is equal to point moves on the right side. So how many decimals it will move? 1. So this can be written as 31.277777 and so on. Okay. Now write x here. X is equal to 3.12777 and so on. Minus it. Subtract this one. 9x is equal to, here 0, 0, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 2 minus 1, 1, point, 31 minus 3, 28. Then x is equal to 28.15 by, I am writing directly here, 9. Okay. Now this can be written as 2815 by 9 into 100. Cancel with 5. 5 20s are, 5 5s are 25. 3 remainder, 5 6s are 30. 1 remainder, 5 3s are. Okay. Now 563 by 9 20s are 180. Is there any cancellation here? 11 plus 3. Okay, no cancellation. Okay, so this is the P by Q form for the given problem. Next question 6.257 bar. Okay, now what are the recurring digits here? 257. So what is the period? Period is 257 and periodicity is 3. Okay. Now let us suppose this can be written as, let x is equal to 6.257, 257, 257 and so on. Okay. Now periodicity is 3, therefore we have to multiply the total equation with 1000. Okay. Now 1000x is equal to, this point moves 3 digits after, then 6257.257 and so on. Next you write x here. X is equal to 6.257 and so on. Right? Minus it. Then 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Point 7 minus 6, 1, 5, 2, 6. 999x is equal to. Okay. Then x is equal to 6, 2, 551 by 999. Okay, this is the P by Q form for the above problem. Okay, children, try to do these problems as the homework. Okay, homework. First one, 0.125 bar, only for 5. Second one, 9.742 bar. Third one, 19.123 bar. Okay, for the first problem 5 bar, second one 42 bar, third one 123 bar. Okay, thank you.